This is how you replace the spring on a RecPro Euro Chair. All you'll need is about 10 minutes of time, an Allen wrench or a hex head screwdriver. First, extend the footrest of your Euro Chair. Next, flip your Euro Chair over so that it's facing down. Extending the footrest helps the spring compress, making it easier to remove. Use an Allen wrench or a hex head screwdriver to undo the bolts on the bracket support. Undo the bolts connecting the bracket to the footrest as well. Once the bolts are removed, the bracket can be fully extended, allowing the spring to fully compress and be easily removed. With the bracket fully extended, attach the new spring to the pins. Reattach the bolts for the bracket support and the footrest, being careful not to cross thread. Flip your Euro Chair right side up and test the footrest several times to ensure it functions properly. To find replacement springs, click the link in the description below. And if you want to see more tips, tricks, and how-tos from RecPro, like the video and be sure to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.